Hi and welcome back to my channel where I talk about how to make money online. Today I will talk about OfferNation. It's a website where you get paid to answer surveys, and as they mention here, it's available to all countries. You just need to be over 18 years old to join. As usual, I'll put a link in the description below for you to sign up. By the way, if you liked my videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so before I go into all the details of this website, there's something important you need to know. They might ask you for an address verification. It's to prevent fraud, like people signing up with different email addresses, for example. When I first signed up and completed a couple of surveys, I got this message saying verification required, please send support ticket. So I messaged them from the site and got this reply telling me I had to email them with a bill and my name and address on it. As you can see here, all I did was email them a recent broadband bill, and it took them a few hours to confirm and verify my account. Now in the home page of OfferNation, I currently have 71 cents and 64 points. 1 point is worth 1 cent, and I will show you how to convert them for cash in a minute. But first, I'll complete a survey to show you this is a legit website. I will now go to the survey section, popular surveys, and I will try this theorem rich provider. Here is a very quick 1-minute survey that pays 15 cents. This is just to show you how this works. Some surveys pay more, some pay less. I will now complete this very short survey and then show you my homepage in a minute. I had to pause the video because I couldn't record this survey due to confidentiality. These were just a few questions about a specific product, and it took about a minute as they mentioned. I will now go back to the homepage, and as you can see, I now have 78 points. So I actually got paid exactly 14.3 points for this short survey instead of 15. Now I'll go to the convert section to convert my points into cash. As shown from the home page, I have 71 cents and 78 points. I already had 64 points before I started this video, plus the 14 points I just earned, so I'll convert the 78 points I have in total. And it's now converted into cash. Now the great thing with OfferNation is that the minimum withdrawal amount is only $1 with PayPal, but there is a 2% fee. If you watch my previous videos, you will see that PayPal is always my favorite choice. But here, it can be worth to wait until you reach $5 to withdraw cash to your Skrill account instead, as there is no fee. But if you don't want to wait and just withdraw your first dollar quickly, then go with PayPal. The 2% fee will be deducted automatically. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and hit the like button, and I'll see you next week for another video.